One word women use secretly when their wife earn more: pride or pressure?
Pride. Because they are not pressured to earn.
Feminism in Pakistan: misunderstood idea or overused label?
Overused label. There is no misunderstood idea because, like I said, they want the equality in the name of exceptions, which they are not getting and they are moaning about it.
Okay. लोग क्या कहेंगे? Biggest enemy of progress or free entertainment?
Biggest enemy of progress.
Okay.
Because इसी fear की वजह से बहुत सारे ऐसे काम भी हैं जो आपको कर लेने चाहिए मगर आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो अब तक.
Okay. When a woman come home late from the work, bigger tension: safety or society?
Both.
You have to choose one.
Society. Because society is the one that's not safe for her.
Good answer. A strong woman: a power goal or ego test?
Ego test.
Typical desi fear: feminism or relatives? Relatives comment.
Desi fear. Relatives comments. Because feminism is not really that much deeply in the roots of our system. Yeah. Yet. Not yet. But God forbid. Yeah. Not yet.